Hello friends, in this video what I am going to tell you how can you draw via Google Draw. So we have recently given an assignment, and in the report what we have to do, we have to make the flow chart of the decision matrix. So we are bound to make a flow chart on this Google Draw, so it's very easier and you will not find it difficult as anymore. So I have started to work on it, so I have decided to make video to make your life easier. So how can I do that? So let me show you that there are the multiple options over here in the insert tab. When you will go over here, what you have to do in insert images text box, you have shapes, table, chart, diagrams, and word art and line as well. So what I have to do, I'm not moving with the chart because the requirement for our report is the diagram. So I have to click on this diagram, and the best thing you will find it, you will find the template over here. So obviously we have to make the flow chart. So I have to move on with the flow chart. So there are variety of flow charts are given over here. So I can select this one, even I can this one, this one as well. So it's totally up to you which one you are going to select it. So let's have a look. And for example, I have selected this template. So when I have selected this template, so I have multiple options over here. So what can I have to do? So for example, I have to decide the location. So I am writing over here in location. You can just edit it over here. And what you have to do, if you want to add more one, so I can copy this and I can add over here. So this is the way that you can do. So I will add it here, and I will put this flow chart here. And what I have to do next, obviously I have to do some marking. And if you want to make this line darker, so there are multiple options over here. So you can do, for example, I'm going to select this one 4px, so the color of this line will get darker. And one more thing which I am going to tell you is that, for example, the color of this is gray and it is very light. So for example, I'm going to select it the black one. Now you can see the line is become sharp, and you can select this one, and the color of this line will be what? It will become black, dark black. Okay, done. And this one is I am going to do it again, and I'm going to take this 4px, so it will be like this. So whatever you want to write it down, for example, if you want to make sizes bigger, so you can do it. Even you can change the font size over here. So how can you do that? You can change the size over here, and you can make it bold, italic, and underline as well, whatever you want to do. If you want to change the color of the text, so you can do it from here. For example, I want green, so it will become green. And I want red one, so it will become red. So right now I'm not interested to do that, I just want a white color. So if you want to shape color, you want to change the shape color, so you can do it right with this. It is as same as in you are making flowchart in the Word, but it is more easier. So if you want to put it arrow here, so what you have to do, you have to go here and select the arrows sign, and you can put it here like this, but it is in an inclined line, so I can drop the line here. You can draw the line with it. So for example, you have to do it, and you have to drop it here. And if it is not straight, so obviously you have to make it straight. So how can you do that? I can use Control Z over here, and for example, I can make this line like this, and it is still not straight. So what you have to do, you have to use Shift with it. So for example, I am taking this arrow and I am using Shift with it. First of all, I am going to select this one, and I can drop the line by clicking Shift, so it will be easier for you. And one more thing I want to tell you is that, for example, you are going to take elbow connector, so you can use it like this. You can make it yourself, and this is coming out from here, and you can change its size as well. For example, you can make it straight, you can make it like this, so it will be like this. And if you want to make its color change and its thickness, so you can do it like this. And if you want to add more uh, flow charts in it, you can also do it from the insert text, insert boxes. But I am just copying it. It looks me more easier as compared to that one. So I can bring this line from here till here, and I can reduce its size as well. You can see here, and it's looking, so it's not working like this, so you can do it like this as well. It's totally up to your requirement, so you can do it. So for example, I am moving it here, so this will be like this. So you can see how I have done this. So I'm getting more familiar with it because I'm doing it from 1 hour. So I have practiced all the things here. And if you want to write any text on the line, this, for example, you are going to write down yes here. So you just take the text box and you can change it as well. You can move it from its location. And what you have to do next, what I am doing, let me check it out whether recording is going on or not, and the right screen is shared with you or not. So it's done. So now you can do bold and change the size, and if you want to change its color, so you can do it from this. So it is quite easier. And if you want to add different types of shapes, so what you will do, you can take it from here and you can add into text box in it, and you can right click on it, and even you can write the text here. For example, writing yes here. Even you take image, insert image from your computer or online, whatever you want to. So, and there are different arrows over here, call outs. It is already in the Word as well. So, but it is quite easier for you to work. And now I can make it zoom as well, and you can see more clear and more visible as well. So this is the way to make the decision flow chart with the Google Draw, and you are having lots of features in it: images, text box, shapes, tables, chart, diagrams, word art, line as well. Format, then you have to view, write down, edit, and tools. Here there are different tools, dictionary and help, edit command, file, you can make a copy. And one more thing I want to tell you, when you are having difficulty in this, for example, if you are going to put this diagram in the Word, so obviously you don't need the PDF file. So what you can email to yourself. And one more thing, what you can do, you can download in the PDF format into the JPEG image and PNG. So you can download it in the PDF, even JPEG and PNG. But obviously, when you are going to place this picture into your Word document, so you need the PNG or JPEG file. So you can take it from here, download it. For example, I'm going to download it, and it will get downloaded from here. And let me show you the diagram, which is whether it is show. Yes, let me share the screen. Now it is downloaded, and I can just simply copy it and paste it on my Word document. So it is quite easier. It is not the difficult one on which you are not able to draw the PDF, to draw the flow chart and like that. Even you can make its copy, even you download it. And how can you do that? I have already told you that how can you make your flow chart from via this. Even you will select it in like zoom. I have already selected zoom, so I want to make it 100%. And now I am going to change it and check it out whether what other options are here. So you can see that when I have closed it, so there are different options, even bullets and numbering as well. You can add comment here, even you can change the font size, color of the, I mean, you can print from here. So this is, and this is paint format as well, through which you can do it painting as well. So what are the other features? You can see this is the text you want if you want to add it, and this is the font style, and this is the size of the font. You can change it whenever you want it. So these are the different things, different features. And one more thing, if I will tell you one more that I have learned from here, what it is, let me show you. For example, I am going to select the arrow, and this is the arrow. This one is arrow, and I want to rotate it. So how can I do that? I just click on it, right click on it, and rotate. So you can rotate 90-degree, you can rotate counterclockwise. So whatever you want to, how you can do it. So you just right click on it and do that. So it will be easier for you. How can you do the make the decision flow chart using the Google Draw, and hopefully you will understand it. How can you use the tools of the Google Draw, and how can you download it? So hopefully it will be easier for you to do your task as soon as earlier. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Okay, now friends, what you have to do after watching my videos, you should have to subscribe to Engineer Nahid Shahzad YouTube channel and follow me at www.nahidshahzad.blogspot.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.